Papa Ned don't bring us another one. Well, last night I hear from Papa Ned. Oh man, don't miss this man. My people in Mata just land like this from international airport of you understand, the other side of Nigeria. According to this man, he say because people don't they question him, and he be like say the thing don't reach it here. He don't come outside now. Cause they give us reasons why he marry more than one wife and why he prefer them very, very young. Hi, now wow, this man get interview with BBC Igbo, where they come the question am. So he come they tell them say the economical reason behind the choice of polygamy. You understand? For this man get grammar, and now he come to say an average nod now, average nod now if he get 2 wives. And that one, the reason why an average order figure 2 wives, now because it they help the women from stop to the sleep around. He can't add on top. Say if a northerner marry 2, 3, 4 wives, 5 wives, say it they help the society, because as we dey like this, people no go they 2 fight. Say I no get husband, no, I no get husband. It they help them, and if you calculate them according to what I say, the northerner will get 5 wives, 5 children. And Igbo man will get 1 wife, 4 children. By the next 10 years, if you check that note now, we get 5 wives and 10 children. They go down multiply, the population go down increase. Make una see person way of thinking, reasoning, in way of reasoning, population and be problem. And the one way even they pay me pass, you they help women from stop sleeping around. So my question now, because my question now, all the northerners wey marry wives, they tell us say they know they sleep around. Because you they use this one as an excuse. Not hey, oh, people wey are no see, I get people from these people's side. I get they plenty. If una they see wetin they see. Under that thing where they wear cover body, if una they see things where they knock under that side, you say not now they help them, they help them to stop sleeping around. The same not now where they marry 100 wives, all in the name of so that they will not sleep around. If you know which kind of, even your own brother said for that same house where they stay, if they do something with them. Not be by marrying 100 wives, oh, bros. If you like marry the whole this thing, who won't cheat, go still cheat. So no bring that one come to my side. Well done, oh, Papa Ned. I hear you. Now why you they marry your great grandchildren age? See head like coconut. Come outside, they preach this one. Last my people, Ned NWOKO and Davido, they go reach everybody the way they see her. Because the way they see Ned own. He never even starts. We they count 6 wives, 7 wives. He never even start to. As he be like this man. When I go here say Ned don't get your own country inside Nigeria. In family alone go become country. They go be one nation. Every time this man come outside to talk, you know they pass women. Anytime, no, una don't check am. When did NED NWOKO come outside say they can't talk about maybe security of the country or something, or advise people how to do business? No, when I hear am. You know they pass woman, you know they pass I marry Regina in 3 weeks. You know they pass I love them young. You know they every time. I will bring our number 6 outside. Some secrets just they reveal. Auntie Reggie, our number 6. The only 6 in this, every other 6 that counterfeit. According to Papa Ned, the message where he bring us, you understand? Now I call you outside. I beg, because as he talk now he mean say you are now, you understand? But first, my question be say, you been there sleep around before you and Ned meet. How many around you sleep? Make I know, because now wetin he tell us. He say they marry una because he they try help una so that una no go dey sleep around. Because how many around you sleep? Hi. And the around where you they sleep, because according to Papa Ned, he say he una meet for a house. You should say na for a house. I be una meet for street. Hi. See. My people, some secrets are revealing and re-revealing. No, I be the thing. I me say these people they Ned na bad. Abeg, you can go, eh? We already know. We don't even need. But people, na be the thing. You understand? They last, my people for this life make money. Make money in this life. If na poor man come and talk this one now, una go insult am. Una go in fact, una go even find your address, go beat am. Because NED NWOKO and he get money. Una dey clap, una dey hail am, una dey do this. Bros, just tell us simple. Maybe they plan, maybe this man don't they plan bring another wife. Just tell us, we know, we're already used to the system. In fact, we're even expecting another one. And stop justifying the nonsense you are doing. You are marrying underage and you are coming here to tell us you are helping them from stopping prostitution. Who you help? You don't bath. They can't help us. See, my people, make a tell you something. This one, if you not like, make una hear am. If you not like, hold on tight. Because I know they see any reasonable thing inside this matter. Not only by marrying woman, you they help them from stop sleeping around. What happened to empowering women? Una see what they tell, una say this man, if they come out, you know they bring one reasonable thing. Okay, you notice say women they sleep around. What is the solution apart from marrying? Why every time marriage? Why you not feel host one seminar to empower women? Why you not feel provide business since you too get money like they say you get money? Why you no? There are other ways to make women stop sleeping around. If truly we are sleeping around, there are many ways. Which can be marrying on that age, marrying this one. If you not like listen, no, since I know you people. Any small thing will come, we will just get because it comes from one billionaire. Now one taker. Get sense, so you get why? Get sense. I say I go bring a corner side because you don't expose our number 6. Hey! So Regina been the anyhow, I know people about Nigeria say okro they draw. I just deliver message from our papa. You understand? So I mean, how they drop the comment for that comment section. I'll make sure say you share this video because the secrets are coming out one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go they miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.